How to redeem code for YouTube Premium. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can redeem code for YouTube Premium. To redeem a code for YouTube Premium, you will need to follow these steps. First of all, you will need to go to YouTube website or open the YouTube application on your device. For that, you can open any web browser on your device and at the search bar type youtube.com. Once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will reach the official website of YouTube. Here, make sure you are logged in to your account. Here, make sure you are signed in with the Google account you want to use for YouTube Premium. Once you are signed in, now open the new tab and in the search bar type youtube.com/redeem. This is the redeem page of YouTube. After you type this keyword, press the enter button and now you will reach to the redeem page of YouTube. Here you can find the box where you can enter the code to redeem for your YouTube Premium. Click on this box and enter the code you have in this provided field. You can also enter a gift card. It also says if you are redeeming a gift card, you will need to continue to Google Play after you enter your code here. Make sure to consider that. Now after entering the code in this box, now click on this next button right here and follow the prompts to complete the redemption process. After it, you should receive a confirmation that your code has been successfully redeemed. Also make sure your code is valid and hasn't expired. So in this way, you can redeem code for YouTube Premium. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.